How often should you change transmission fluid? Have you ever wondered how often you should change your transmission fluid? This is a key part of car maintenance that every teen driver should know about. Transmission fluid is essential for keeping your car's transmission running smoothly. It lubricates the parts and helps keep everything cool. If you want your car to last, paying attention to this fluid is important. For most cars with automatic transmissions, the general rule is to change the fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. However, if your car uses synthetic transmission fluid, you might be able to go as far as 100,000 miles before needing a change. But remember, if you often drive in tough conditions, like heavy traffic or on steep hills, you should think about changing the fluid more often. In these cases, aim for every 30,000 to 40,000 miles. This is because tough driving conditions can wear out the fluid faster. Now, if you have a manual transmission, the recommendation is a bit different. You should change the fluid every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. Manual transmissions relying on fresh fluid to shift gears smoothly. If you neglect this, you might experience grinding gears, which can lead to bigger problems. To find out the best schedule for your specific car, check your vehicle's owner's manual. This will give you the most accurate information based on your car model. If you are unsure, asking a trusted mechanic is a smart move. They can provide guidance tailored to your driving habits and vehicle. For teenagers who are just starting to drive, understanding how to maintain your car is part of being responsible. Regularly checking and changing your transmission fluid can help prevent breakdowns and keep your car safe. It is a good idea to include transmission fluid checks in your emergency car kit routine. This way, you can be prepared for any situation and ensure your car stays in great shape. Remember, taking care of your car is just as important as learning to drive it.